Morning everybody and welcome to Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park and one of the new 7 wonders of nature po. Okay po, the tour will take around is 45 minutes to 1 hour where we will be seeing fascinating rock formation. I am a boatman. Reminder po, when you look up, kindly close your mouth. Your personal belongings, especially your camera and cell phone. Baho na na. Malapit na kasi tayo sa bunganga.